Most ideas don't fail because they're bad. They fail because we never take action. The solution? Capture ideas the moment they appear and turn them into actionable tasks. How? If it's for daily to-dos or steps that just need to be checked off, you can add to-do directly into your Xmind mind map. For a long-term project or a goal that unfolds in phases, Xmind also takes it further with planned tasks, helping you define each task by priority, timeline, progress, and duration. Here's a step-by-step guide. Whenever you are, open Xmind when inspiration strikes. Right-click any node and select planned task, or choose it directly from the top toolbar. Set a start and end time, choose its priority, and track progress as you go. You can let Xmind calculate progress automatically based on subtasks, or update it manually for full control. Don't let vague tasks or scattered thoughts hold back your productivity. Open Xmind and get things moving.